With an A+ energy rating, this Beko fridge freezer uses less energy, is kinder to the environment and helps you save money on your energy bills. Frost-free technology circulates cold air throughout the freezer to prevent ice from forming. Maintenance is easy as the chore of manually defrosting the freezer is a thing of the past. Beko's freezer guard technology ensures that this freezer can withstand temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius, so you can keep it in a garage or outbuilding, knowing that your food will stay safely frozen no matter how cold it gets. The antibacterial door seal has a special coating which prevents bacteria and germs from entering your appliance. Your fridge will stay cleaner and more hygienic, which keeps your food fresher and tastier for longer. Ideal for small households, this fridge freezer from Beko is perfect for storing all your chilled and frozen groceries.